Hello guys, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors, and I'm very happy to meet you all again. And today I'm going to cook my most favorite dish, which is chicken palak. Here I have some 2 large onions which I finely chopped, some coriander leaves, carom leaves, mint leaves, and some lemongrass. And then I have 4 red chilies which I haven't cut them. Then I here have some bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and carom seeds, half teaspoon, which I've grounded them. And I have 2 large tomatoes which I've chopped them, and I have 10 bunches of palak which I have finely chopped them and washed them. So I have heated up my pan and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter. I just love the butter. And then I'll put 1 small cup of mustard oil, which is very beneficial for us in food, and if we have any pain we can use it to massage our body. Just love the aroma. Then I'm going to put in the bay leaves, then the carom seeds and cumin seeds grounded inside. Fry them because it brings the crunchiness and yummy taste. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry because it brings a lovely aroma. Just mouth-watering. Then I'll add the onion mixture which I'd shown you earlier and fry them till they're light brown. So the onions are already going light brown. So what I'm going to do is put 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it, because it also helps in frying it more better and bringing the crunchy taste in the onion. And I'll put 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste again. Don't worry, ginger garlic paste brings a very nice aroma and it cooks up the food finely. Then I'll put 1 whole chicken which I've cut and I've washed them. So I'll just put it, and then I'll put the tomatoes which are diced. You need a diced tomato because it brings a nice gravy. If you grate it or blend it, it doesn't bring out a fine gravy. So I'll put it, but don't worry, they won't be seen when the food will be cooked. So we'll just put on low flame and cover it. As you can see, the chicken has removed its stalk and the tomato too. So that's what we need actually for it to remove its stalk. Now we let it be and then mix it after 2 minutes, and then leave it on medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes to remove more stalk. Okay, as you can see, the chicken has removed its enough stalk. So now what I'm going to do is add my spices in, and I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then I'm going to put in half teaspoon of garam masala. And then I'm going to put in some chicken masala. You can use any chicken masala, which will go 1.5 teaspoon. And then I'm going to add in some dana jeera, 1 teaspoon, because you're going to put the palak, so you'll need something for it. And then you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of Royco seasoning, which you can use chicken flavor. And then I'll put turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. And then I'll give it a good mix so the spices can blend in very well. Don't be too harsh with the chicken as you're mixing, because at sometimes there's some few pieces of chicken which will actually break, so you need to just do it gently. So I've just mixed it properly, and now I'm going to add in the chopped palak which I've washed and drained. So I'll just put in the palak. Note that we only kept salt once. You don't need to add it again unless you feel it's less, because too much salt is not good, because in the vegetables actually it has some salt. And we're not going to add any water for about 2 minutes. Let the palak drain its water, because vegetables do have its water, and then the chicken stock is also enough. So after 2 minutes we're just going to add half cup of water, which in the whole procedure, that's the only place. After 2 minutes of palak in the pan, you put half cup of water, because the palak will drain and then the chicken stock is more than enough. So we'll cook for 10 minutes on medium. Okay, as you can see, my dish has enough water thanks to the chicken stock and the palak, which was draining its own water as it was cooking up, and just the half cup. If for those who love it half cooked, this is the best way you can eat it. But for me, who are like me, who love it very cooked up, I'm going to cook it for another 10 minutes. So this is not yet done for me. And now what I'm going to do is add in 1 teaspoon of tamarind juice, which is homemade. Homemade is best. you can put tamarind juice. But for those who don't like tamarind juice, you can have some lemon juice or citric acid or some amchur powder. But for me, I love tamarind juice, which is especially homemade, good for your health, especially in your acidity, or when your body is dehydrated, or when you're from out, you can have it. So that's bring a bit tangy taste. Now I'm going to cook my palak for 10 minutes on medium heat. My chicken palak is absolutely ready. As you guys are cooking, you can taste on your spices if they're less. Alhamdulillah, mine isn't less. So now what I'm going to do is do the plating. My chicken palak dish is absolutely ready, and I have already done its plating. I've garnished it with some coriander, parsley leaves. I have some rice here and roti. You can have with any you desire. I'll have with both. And I had said earlier that you won't find any tomatoes popping because they'll be cooked up, so they're not popping out. Please do try this dish at home and let me know down below the comment how it turned out. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.